Hey y'all, it's Sharita, also known as Gracefully Natural, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my detangling routine for minimum shedding. So if you're interested in see how your girl gets her hair this soft, then continue to keep watching. Lego. So today we're going to use the Camille Rose, the Curl Love Moisture Milk to help with the detangling process. I like this product because it has a lot of slip and it adds a lot of moisture to the hair. We'll use a wide tooth comb. We'll make sure that we have some water, and that is hot water. We'll use our clips to help with separating the hair or sectioning the hair. And I'll also use this rat tooth comb to help with parting my hair. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to part and put my hair in sections. I usually work with 4 sections. I have already shampooed my hair, I've already conditioned my hair, and I've already deep conditioned my hair. My hair dries out really fast, so I have to make sure that I keep the water so that I can keep my hair wet and keep it moisturized so that the product will absorb in my hair shaft. All right, so let's go. So I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections. And what that comprises of 2 sections on the left side, 2 sections on the right side. And my hair on the left side, your left side, my right side is thicker and it's heavier. So it will seem as if there's more hair in that section, but it's just that it's a little bit thicker because the curl pattern right there is a lot looser and it's totally different from the rest of my hair. And I'll just continue to put my hair into the 4 sections here. And while I'm sectioning, I'm being careful to not to rip my hair or to pull too hard so that I won't pop any strands. And then I just twirl each section and I pin it up with the clip until I'm ready to use that section or ready to detangle that section. Oof, sorry y'all. All right, so continue with sectioning off my hair. And I'll just put this section away until I'm ready to work with it. And as you can see, I'm just being very careful with my hair. And so now we'll begin the detangling process. So with this section of my hair, it's getting a little dry. So what I'll do is just grab some water and I'll re-wet this section of my hair so that the detangling process will not be so tedious, and I won't rip any of my hair out trying to detangle my hair, trying to detangle on dry hair. So it helps with the detangling process to reactivate your hair or re-wet your hair if it dries out so that you'll lose less hair. You'll shed less hair. So I'm just working that water in the hair. And as you can see, the water is starting to kind of define my curls a little bit. And then what I'll do is I'll take each section and I'll break it into subsections so that I can make sure that I get the product in each section and make sure that every strand of my hair is coated. So as you can see, when I put the product in my hair, I start from the bottom and I work my way up. And I'm working it in, rubbing it in so I can make sure that it's getting on every strand. It's starting to activate my curl pattern, and it's also softening my hair. So when I get ready to use my wide tooth comb to start the detangling process, I won't shed as much hair, I won't lose as much hair, and it makes it so much easier, as you'll see when I grab my wide tooth comb and start detangling. And you want to make sure you get that product all over this section from root to tip. And I'm very heavy-handed with my products because I want to make sure that my hair is moisturized and that whatever style that I choose will last for days and will continue to be moisturized, and I won't have to reapply product, or I won't have to refresh the hair sooner than I would like to. So as you can see, look, I'm starting from the bottom. I'm working my way up, and the comb is just gliding through. It's detangling so easy. I'm not having any problems. It's just sliding, just gliding through my hair. And that's what you want. It will even eliminate the detangling time. And to me, that also lets you know that your hair is healthy when you can detangle and you don't have all the knots, the tangles, you don't lose a lot of hair. It lets me know, in my opinion, that I'm doing something right. So I'm moving on to the next section, and I'm going to do each section the same way. I'm going to re-wet it if I need to, if I feel like it's drying out. I'm going to rub that water in my hair. I'm going to break those sections into subsections. I'm going to get the moisture milk. I'm going to apply it, work it in, make sure that each strand is coated. I'll grab my wide tooth comb and start detangling. And when I get done, I'll show you how much hair that actually shedded in this process. And you can see my curl pattern, or my curls, starting to be activated a little bit as I rub this product in along with the water. So that lets me know that whatever style that I try, which I'm going to do a wash and go, that my wash and go is going to be defined, my curls are going to be popping, and my hair is going to be moisturized. Because my hair is accepting this moisture. It's not just sitting on top of my hair, but it's actually melting into my hair strands. As you can see, it's not sitting on top of my hair. It is just dissolving, melting into my hair. So my hair is loving this Camille Rose product right now. Let me know in the comments section what you do for your detangling process, what products you use, what tools you use. Let me know how your detangling process goes. Also, if there's any products that you would like for me to try, do a tutorial on, or any suggestions that you might have for the detangling process, drop those in the comment section as well. So I have completed the detangling process. All of my hair has been detangled. They're in their sections. All the product has been applied. So what I forgot to let you know at the beginning of the video is that I also will be using my oil from Camille Rose, and I'll leave this oil in the description box. But I make sure that I go ahead and at this point and oil my scalp, put oil around my edges, rub it in real good, and just to add that extra moisture and to make sure that my scalp is not dry, because I have dry, itchy scalp. And so I just want to make sure that my scalp is being taken care of as well. And I'm just rubbing it in. So right here, look, that's all the hair that's shedded from my detangling process. My hair is thick, it looks healthy, it's soft like butter. My curls are starting to be defined with just this moisture milk, and my hair is ready to be styled. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, please subscribe, and please share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.